Yo, I'm excited. We have ourselves a water tank right here. See, sheet metal, so what I'm gonna do with that is wrap it around the water tank to protect it a bit, because this is only plastic. Here we go, I'll show you. So it's gonna sit behind the axle, so there's the hangers. Axle's here, the tires, and it's gonna sit behind the axle. So that's our orientation, so I'm excited. And this kid is excited too. Yeah, you're excited about
on holiday.
Anyways, our water tank's here. I'm gonna install it today, so let's go. Better sort this out with Celeste because she seems like she's struggling.
Great at drawing lines, to be honest.
Not great at drawing lines.
Well, it doesn't help when there's no actual edge. It's just a rounded surface. There we go. Oh.
You got it sorted?
Yep. Now I can't get the lid off.
The fun part now is to actually fold it, make sure we get it right. You know what we could have done? We could have got it made up and paid for it and get it sorted, but where's the fun of it?
Something like belting something with a mallet.
Yeah.
Or as RJ calls it, a mullet. He's sacked if this doesn't fit.
So let's do all the measurements. Whoa!
Oh, check it.
Whoa, that's pretty good. Look at that. Hey? We still don't know what we're doing with this caravan, anyways.
Again, we keep our fingers crossed that the tank fits in.
Yeah, it is.
Obviously. Tidy, righty, lefty, loosey. That's not right, actually. No, right. I'm confused.
The rate we're going will take us a few years to get this done. This one closer to the plus. And what? Which one? Doing much there, mate. Hey, supervising.
Observing. It's Sunday. You don't want to be paying me Sunday rates, do you?
Well, meanwhile, I'm just keeping on. That makes sense.
Not really.
Anyways, last one, and happy days, and that's done and dusted for this part. All done and dusted. I'm getting out of this. Ugh. Go.
Did it help?
Yes. Oh, here we go.
Can you fit? Oh, there goes your bag.
Oh, look at that. We have ourselves a water tank installed. There it is. What an effort. Team effort, really.
Yep.
Mainly her. So, anyways. That's it. On to the next one.